Hello, am I audible to you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Please now sit with your notebook and pen. Okay, all of you now sit with notebook and pen, because now certain types of activities you have to write, and how you have to write and where you have to write, you note it down. I'm just waiting for a few minutes. One more minute, I'm just waiting. After that, I will start today's activity. If anyone is having any confusion regarding the previous class, they can ask me. If you are having any confusion, any doubts, how we have to write, what we have to write, then you can ask me. Okay, so now I'm going to start. I've already told the group discussion topic. So first, Aryan Kumar. Any topic you have selected till now? Aryan, have you selected any of the topics till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you say me what topic?
Ma'am, social media curse or boon?
Okay, so who is the group members? Who is the group member?
Kanhaiya.
And I want 4 people. Minimum 4 and maximum there will be 6.
Ma'am, Kanhaiya, Rishabh, Ranjan, and Ananto.
And next I am coming to Anjalita Kumari.
Good
Anjalita,
afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon, Anjalita.
I am Anjalita ma'am, from Jamshedpur.
Yeah, no, I just want to know the topic.
Topic, ma'am, education reforms.
Okay. Next, Mushkan Dubey.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Muskan.
Ma'am, my topic is India
Yeah.
2022.
Okay. Next, Ayush. Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, your topic.
Hello, ma'am.
Present. I just want to know the topic, not present, ma'am.
No, ma'am. I am not getting your voice clearly.
I want to know the topic.
Ma'am, I haven't decided right now.
Haven't decided. Okay. How many of you are here that who haven't decided? How many of you here are that who haven't decided except Ayush? Is there anyone? Please tell me so that I will not ask them that they have not decided. Okay, Saroj Kumar. Saroj Kumar from ECE. Are you getting my voice, Saroj, or not? Hello. Sanju Kumari. Sanju Kumari. Is there any problem with you people that you are getting my voice or not? Anjalita is finished. Khushbu Kumari. Khushbu Kumari.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What topic you have decided?
Money or happiness?
Okay. Saroj Kumar, you are getting my voice or not? I think he is not getting my voice. Sanju Kumar, you are getting my voice or not? She is also not getting. Khushbu Kumari?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aryan Kumar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, your topic.
Ma'am, should public sector banks be privatized?
Okay.
Ma'am, my topic is how to prevent from COVID-19 third wave.
Oh, COVID is now a common disease. I will say that people have learned that how to live with COVID. Now the condition is that people have learned that how they have to live with COVID. Now it is cough and cold, COVID. Any other topic than that?
Use of social media in this COVID situation.
Okay, use of
Social media.
okay. So the number of participants is here now. Now I'm discussing is about 3, 4, 7, 12. Because Suraj and Sanju Kumari, they are not getting my voice very clearly. And still I put them in the waiting room. Till now there is no response from them I have got. That means just they have on the class, just sleeping. Now, activity part, I am giving you one of the common topic. So please all of you note it down. I'm giving you a very common topic to you people. Okay. Please all of you note it down. Should I give controversial topic, abstract topic, or case study? I think controversial will be not good. Abstract I will give you. Okay. All are equal, but some are more equal. Please write it down. Please write it down. I think I have to give invitation to all of the peoples to join the class. Today I am just telling, from the next class I will not. Seriously, I'm saying to you people. From the next class I will not say that join the class again and again. Okay, note it down. The topic for today, so means for you people. All are equal. All are equal, but some are more equal than others. Have you written? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Yes.
If anyone wants that I should repeat it again, then they can say me, then I will repeat. Okay, now I'm sharing the screen. Now how you have to write, I will show you to people. That in which way you have to write. And just one thing I will say, I will share the feedback from the whose names are here. I will just only mark their attendance for today. I don't think there is no LMS, nothing. I am taking the screenshot of you people time to time. Whenever I was stopping the screen sharing at that time. See, first thing is that your activity. And one thing I will say again, this activity part, the topic of this group discussion, which I have given to you, the same content of this report will be as it is same for the whole group, and each one of you have to write. And the topic which I have given you, this thing you have to write in a zipper plastic file. There you have to put A4 size papers. First paper will be the printout of like this. After that, everything should be handwritten. Say for them, I have given you the topic this, and it will be of 1500 words. That means 100 plus 500. The word limit is 1500 minimum, maximum 1550. The word limit. And all of you have to write in the same way how they have written. And each one have to give your own views one by one. And that thing should be written. See how they have written. Can you see how they have written
Yes,
all
ma'am.
these things? They have given them that topic. Your topic is different, that all are equal, but some are more equal than others. And this is the abstract topic. First, I will say this is the abstract topic. What do you mean by an abstract topic? That is means imaginary. Thinking. Okay, you have to write like this way. Don't write
Ma'am,
in a haphazard way. Yeah,
is it compulsory to use the plain paper
yeah,
or
compulsory.
we can use the ruled one?
No. That's why I tell you that don't write in a haphazard way. Because some people start writing from one corner, then they will end at one corner. The line alignment is very difficult for those persons. How many of you are not comfortable to write in this white paper? Please tell
Ma'am,
me if you are not comfortable. Then I am giving you one idea, okay? See, the A4 size paper is not much thick, okay? So on that A4 size paper, please put that A4 size paper on your practical copy. Under that, you will see the line is there. So you can write there, straightforward. Otherwise, put one lining type page under that, your A4 size paper. Then you will be comfortable to write straight. Okay. Next one, your activity, report writing. How you have to write the report. Assignment completed, assignment topic, and how you have to submit, you have seen. Now, report writing, how you have to write a report. Finally, you have to write a report. Where you have to write the report? In your practical copy. That how a session on group discussion was conducted on 13th of November 2021. There should be not in. There will be through online mode on Zoom platform. It was organized by the Communication Lab Department of Shavas Engineering College. By this, the motive of this session was to conduct a group discussion among students. See, the session opened with the self-introduction of the students, continuing with it, gave up one topic. The topic, again here written, the topic was organization communication. We were asked to form groups, and in my groups we have 5 participants. At first, we discussed about the meaning and definition of communication as well as organization communication. After that, some of us discussed which about the means and importance of organizations across the world. So I've given you the topic. You don't have to write across the world. Importance of organization across the world, please don't write. You can write by your own language, don't copy and paste. Just for your ideas, I am giving you. And the last part is your conclusion. So at last, we all came to the conclusion that effective communication is significant for managers in the organization so as to perform. See this part, the report writing part, the 5 members report should be same. So if the 5 members report will be same, then each of your content will also be same. Please don't write each one another type. Again, someone has written a report. They have also, you can see their report also. Session on group discussion. Okay. Conclusion part. Here what people have done, one have written and another all have copied. Each one have copied. So please don't do the same thing for you people, I am saying. See how she have pasted one paper over here. Please make your copy clean. I will make them write again. They have done when they will come to college and I will make them write again. Otherwise from here on they will deduct the marks. They will not submit it properly. Please make your copy clean. Make a clean copy, your practical copy. Next class they all will get nice dialogues from me. Now I will discuss about the topic from you people. So I am starting the group discussion right now. Okay. Now I am starting. So first mechanical who are? May I know from mechanical how many of you are? Only mechanical students, unmute yourself. Only mechanical students, unmute yourself. So I am recalling the names of the mechanical: Kanhaiya, Aryan, Rohan, Samiran, Vivek. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone
ma'am.
else
Yes,
from
ma'am.
them? Anyone else from
Yes,
them?
ma'am.
Mechanical?
Nirmal.
Nirmal. Where is Nirmal? But he has not unmuted himself. So how I can say? He has not unmuted himself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nirmal. So Kanhaiya, Nirmal, Rohan, Aryan, Vivek and Vivek, na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 persons are there. Vivek, 6, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So 6 of you are for mechanical. So they will have
Yes.
a group. Okay, Kanaya, Nirmal, Shamiran, Vivek, Aryan, Rohan, all these have a group. Okay. You 6 people are in a group and the content, the report writing will be same. From the topic
Okay,
you can
ma'am.
write by yourself, you can take. See, I'm giving you 2 options. Either you can write all of you by giving your opinions. You can write one content. Otherwise, you can write differently. So which one will be good for you people? To write in a group, the assignment will be same, or you people want the report should be same. The choice is upon yours. Report will be same for you all. It is compulsory because report is same for the group. But this assignment topic will be of 2 choices. Either you can write by you, either you can discuss with your group and write the same. So what you want? Please tell me in the class only. How many of you are comfortable to write by oneself, or how many of you are comfortable to write in a group discussion? See, this is a group discussion class, so I just want to know your opinions.
Ma'am, I think with the group.
Okay. I also think this will be better if you write in a group,
Yes. Yes.
because the word limit is quite very high,
Yes, ma'am.
because it is about 1500, the word limit. Minimum 1500 and maximum 1550. So the word limit is very high. So if you will discuss in a group, it will be easy. So for your group, I should lock that your assignment and the report will be same for the whole group.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then mechanical, you people done. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next. Mechanical already we have completed. Now civil. Civil people are there. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just unmute yourself. I will know that you are from
Yes,
civil.
ma'am.
From civil, Anjali, Jishan,
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush. Only 3 of you have joined.
Yes, ma'am.
So Anjali, you have any friend that he or she used to attend the class in a regular basis?
Yes, ma'am. Neetu.
Neetu. Okay, then
Yes,
just
ma'am.
Neetu with you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the group
Yes.
for civil. And those people who have not attended the class, at the time when I will send marks, that time they will be affected. In the online class, I am just saying they will be definitely affected. Okay. Anjali, you take Neetu, and the same thing you people also do the assignment and this report. Please write a report in quite effective way. Don't do like the person those who have done in the CSE, just copied and pasted each and every one. Please write, you are the people of now BTech. So the words that you use, that should be kind of weightage. Please don't use this types of bacha type words. I don't want to read those bacha words. Okay, now from electrical, please unmute. Okay, from electrical, I am calling their names. Danish,
Yes, ma'am.
Sohel,
Yes, ma'am.
Muskan, Sumiran
Yes, ma'am.
and Yash. You
Yes,
six,
ma'am.
na? Anyone left from them? From
Yes,
electrical?
ma'am.
Who? Who is from electrical? I have left their names. Danish, Sohil, Sumiran, Yash, Khushbu, and Muskan, na? You six
Yes, ma'am.
people. Okay, you six people are there. So you six form a group. Okay. You six of people just form a group. And the same thing. So you are having questions each one of you, na? Okay. Hope I am clear now. Okay, electrical done. Now who left? Mechanical. EC. EC people, just unmute yourself. EC people, unmute yourself. Anjalita, Rohit, Anjalita, Rohit, Sanju,
Yes,
Saroj,
ma'am.
Abhay, Khushbu, Muskan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Saroj, anyone from ECE who's attending the class in a regular basis?
Yes, ma'am.
Who?
Two student, ma'am.
Huh?
Two student.
Two student who? Please name them.
Prakhar Gupta and one or
Huh?
ma'am Prakhar Gupta and one is or name is not
Ma'am, Mohammed
Munraj.
Arafat.
Mohammed?
Arafat.
Tarif?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tarif I have seen sometimes used to attend. Prakhar I have seen attending the classes. I've seen
And
Prakhar
Beneath
that-
also, ma'am.
Yeah, Vinit also.
And Beneath yes also.
Okay. From EP I am making two groups. Okay. Anjalita, Khushbu, Muskan. And any girl from here? Muskan? From your ECE department?
Ma'am, Sanju.
Okay, Sanju. Take Sanju in your group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you just four of you form the group. And okay, you just people unmute yourself. Muskan and you, all the girls of ECE, please unmute yourself. Now Saroj, Abhay, Rohit. Okay. Prakhar, you form a group. Saroj, you are in contact with Prakhar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you people form a group of 4. Got it? After that, don't say that madam
Okay,
group
ma'am.
formation nahi hua. वो इसके साथ ये इसके साथ. I will not listen anything. I make the group and this is full and final.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, still two people were left from our
They
branch.
have not attended the class. Now their problem, what they will, the two of will do.
Ma'am, Beneath is not here, but is also.
So you are 4 people, na?
Ma'am, Prakhar Gupta and Beneath.
How many? 2 are left, na? Add with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Add with you people, then you will be 6.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, see the group formation I have done. Everything is being done now. Now no one will have anything that मैंने group नहीं बन रहा है, वो ऐसा बोल रहा है, ये ऐसा बोल रहा है. Now please don't say me.
Ma'am,
Now
so many people are.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Ma'am, so many people. Fine. And is this class for electrical branch?
So many people are. What you have told, please tell me.
Not
I'm
attend
getting.
this class, ma'am.
I don't know why they have not attended this class. I have reminded them also that their problem, what problem they are having, please face their problem. This is not my problem. They will face the problem at the time what the marks they will get. That is their problem. That is my not problem. Let them whatever they want to do. I will not say anything. They have thought that they have got so good marks in the second sem. The ma'am will again give us marks in the third sem. The same procedure will go ahead. That time they will say, ma'am, I have not got marks. I will say, you have not attended the class. The very simple reason. Because each one of the screenshots I am having. Jishan, you want to say something you have given me in the chat. Can you say me? हम सब क्या है? शायद हम सब चार एक साथ. Please, may I know this one? What is the meaning of this? Jishan Warish Ahmed. Jishan, are you here?
Ma'am, is Jishan is trying to say that we have earlier made the group.
Yeah, you have earlier made the group, but what is the problem? See, the persons you are not attending the class.
And but the members have not joined
Yeah, the
in
members
this
they have
class.
not joined. So the members who are there, according to them, this stream I have made the groups. Now, when they will join, it is their problem what they will do. And please, from who is the head of the group, please you one by one you elect that who will be the head of that group member, and they will just WhatsApp me after the class. You means your branch and your group members. Just WhatsApp any one of you from your group. Just WhatsApp me. You first have to write that what branch you are, and you just have to give it to me, and I will share the feedback form. Please fill it right now only after the class only. Okay, next thing. Something let's discuss about all are equal, but some are more equal than others. So you know how where you have to write, what things where you have to write. Now I think that you have understood. Is there any confusion where you have to write the report, where you have to write the assignment? See, again I am showing it to you people that where you have to write all those things. Can anyone explain me that where you have to write the assignment? The assignment part where you have to write. Can you say me?
Ma'am, practical.
Assignment pack in the file
Yeah,
with
assignment
A4 size
part.
paper.
Yeah, good. And this report?
Report is in the experiment copy.
Yes, report is in the experiment copy. And how you have to submit? The three things you have to submit at one time only. And please
Okay,
take
ma'am.
out your time. All of you, please take your time. Just discuss with your group members today only from 7 to 8 p.m. You people discuss about the topics. Prepare yourself right now. And 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, you discuss with the group members. Or any of the time you people are comfortable. Tomorrow is Sunday. If you are comfortable, you can discuss. Okay, on that topic. See how you have to submit. The procedure I am showing you how you have to submit. Your name, your branch, student ID, registration number, Now this group 1, experiment number 1, the first page you have to click. After that you have to write experiment number 1. Here there is a mistake, I will say. After experiment number 1, here you have to write group discussion. After that you have to leave one line. After that you have to write all those things. Okay, got it? In one, when you will post the same, the 3 PDF will be like this only. Report. Report is there, but in the report session also, first paper you have to click. You have not clicked the first paper. You have to click the first paper for the report also. Assignment also the same procedure. See, I have given you people also the abstract topic. So you have to write that all are equal, but some are more equal than others. You just write here only the topic, but when you will submit, at that time, you have to write that this is the abstract topic. See how you have written assignment in bracket abstract topic. Okay, the name of the topic, give a hyphen and write name of the topic. Got it? Have you got it? Or any confusion now, please tell me, because time is about to end. Anyone, any doubt? Please tell me. Who is Sumit Kumar? We have not able to speak, just messaging me, just join me in any group. You now make your own group and join. I will not make a group and make you join. You make your own group or you just do your work. I don't know. There are many absentees people are there. Just call them one by one and make them join by yourself. I don't know. That's your problem. You will not attend the class also. Sumit Kumar, are you present over here? See this person. Okay. Now lastly, I am coming to this Ayush Kumar from electrical. Ayush Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Ayush. Now please tell me what things you have to write in the group discussion in the experiment copy. In your
मैम हम अभी
experiment,
ज्वाइन किए हैं मैम.
अभी join किए हैं.
Sorry मैम.
That's why I asked Ayush. I'm very happy that you've told the truth. Sujit. Sujit Hemram.
Yes, ma'am.
Now please tell me, I am just scrolling this one, and just please tell me what things you have to write over from here in a group discussion in your copy. Please tell me. Many a times I have
No.
shared. Okay. What
Yes,
things
ma'am.
from here we have to write in a experiment copy? Syllabus?
A4 size, ma'am. File.
No, file not. It will be in copy. We have to write the syllabus. Who will explain to me this one? That what things we have to write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Kanhaiya.
First objective,
Very good.
then introduction.
Very good.
After that, ma'am, please scroll down. Body language and voice modulation in group
Very
discussion.
good. Process?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay. Buzzer?
No.
Characteristics?
Characteristics, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Areas of evaluation?
No.
Okay. Types of topics?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do's and don'ts?
No.
Group discussion strategies?